Hello and welcome. Today is the 27th of September 2021. I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. And this morning we're logged in for the DAX market opening trade. So I think the last time we was on Thursday, as I was not in the office on Friday. And actually, I do remember we finished our morning opening trade on a hedge position in the DAX. So this morning we're going to be looking to get a release on that hedge. Let me just switch over my charts and we'll get straight into it. So here we have the MetaTrader 4. As most of you are familiar, those of you who are keeping up with the daily trades are familiar with everything inside. So over in the top right hand corner, we have our Traders Club 24 SwissBox trading tool, and this is where we execute all of our trades for the morning opening trade. Usually what we've got is our two lines, our box lines, green and red. These represent two pending orders, a buy and a sell pending order, the green one being the buy and the red one being the sell. In between, we have 12.5 points of range. This is our trap range. Essentially what we're trying to do here is trap the market within this range before any expected breakouts. Hence why we are trading the market openings, as the market opening is usually where we're going to see the most of the volatility in the market. As you know, last Thursday is where we left off, and there was not so much movement in the markets. If I just go back, oh, let's go back and have a look. So we was in the market just over here last Thursday. And as you know, we had hedged our position, and as we hedged our position, of course, we got the movement in the market towards the end. Shame, I know, but that's how it goes. Better safe than sorry. So this morning we're gonna try a re-entry and get a release on that hedge once again. And I've mapped out this line here where I would like to get a release on that hedge, as I want to be treating this hedge release as a big number release, and we've got about 10 seconds until the market opening. So let's see if we can catch the market as it does its job. So there it goes. So there's the market opening as well. And as you know, I'm going to extend those stop losses and take profits towards one of these big numbers and try and catch as much movement as possible. So here we have a buy position. The dotted line here is the original take profit. As soon as the market reaches up towards this dotted line, we will be in profit. And of course, up here, I've extended that take profit towards the next big number. So if we get the movement up anywhere between the dotted line and our extended take profit is perfectly fine for us to make a manual close and secure those profits. So coming into the next trade, it seems we've broken below the big number here.